How to connect Amazon Music to Android Auto. So to be able to connect your Amazon Music to your Android Auto, the first thing that you'll need to do is to check the basic requirements for using Android Auto. So make sure you're using a compatible vehicle, ensure your core is compatible with Android Auto, and then you need an Android smartphone running Android 5.0 or higher. Now you need to download and install the Amazon Music app from the Google Play Store. Ensure it's updated to the latest version for optimal performance. Depending on your vehicle's capabilities, you may need a USB cable for a wired connection, or ensure that your vehicle supports wireless Android Auto for a wireless connection. Now make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Grant the necessary permissions for Android Auto to access your apps and media. So the typical methods to add Amazon Music to Android Auto first is to use your WAR. So use a high quality USB cable to connect your Android device to the core's USB port. Make sure the cable is compatible and not damaged, and once connected, the Android Auto interface should automatically launch on your core's display. On the Android Auto interface, navigate to the Amazon Music app. You can do this by selecting the music icon or accessing it from the list app. Browse your playlist, albums, or songs and select what you want to listen to. You can also use voice commands to control playback. Second is through the wireless method. Ensure your core supports wireless Android Auto. Not all vehicles have this feature, so consult your car's manual or manufacturer. On your Android device, enable Bluetooth and ensure it is discoverable. Follow the instructions in your car's infotainment system to pair your phone via Bluetooth. This usually involves selecting your device from a list and confirming the pairing code. Once paired, you may need to tap the Android Auto icon on your core's display to launch the interface. Navigate to the Amazon Music app within the Android Auto interface and start playing your desired music.